Hello art lovers and welcome back to my channel. Today I will show you how to make this beautiful and attractive fridge magnet. So let's get started. For this I take 2 mm MDF base in round shape. You can take any other shape for your magnet. And then this cotton thread. So I cover the MDF base with sticking white cotton thread. It's easily available on any craft shop. Use any white glue to stick the thread. Here I am using Fevicol. It's done now. Let it dry for some time. I have chosen this tissue. Remove the extra ply of the tissue. So first I am cut the desired shape. Remove the extra layer of the tissue. Stick the tissue using any decoupage glue. Here I am using Mod Pose glue. Now I am sticking it on my base with slightly movement of hands. Wet a sponge in clear water, squeeze the excess water and dab over the tissue carefully. With this tape, the tissue blends with threads like this. Next step is to remove the extra tissue with the sandpaper. I applied a top coat with Mod Podge again. Now I am distressing on the edges with brown color. Like this. Let's give it a vintage look. Let it dry. Time to sparkle it up. This silver dust is perfect for this. Apply a coat of varnish. This is a clear varnish. Varnish is still wet. Sprinkle the shimmer over and tape off the excess. Let it dry for some time. Some emotion that you want catch on from the decoupage tissue, like flowers, that means happiness. So here I am writing on this white paper happiness, and I mounted it on black cardstock and cut it off so this pops up the coat. Now using foam tape, I am sticking it here. Now on the back side, I am doing brown acrylic color. You can use any color of your choice. On the back side, I am using magnet, and with the help of glue, I am sticking it. So our beautiful fridge magnet is ready. If you like this video, please do like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.